Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. To my new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I so much appreciate. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my best sugar cookies. Okay, so guys, keep watching and let's get started. To begin, in a bowl of a mixer, cream the butter and the sugar until it is smooth, okay, at least for 3 minutes. While we are waiting for the cream, go ahead and beat in 1 egg and vanilla extract. Mix until it is well combined. Once done, set it aside. For the dry ingredients, combine the flour, baking powder and salt together. Mix until it is well combined. Once you're done with that, you set it aside. Back to the mixer. Add the wet ingredients little at a time. Now add the dry ingredients. Mix until a dough is formed. If the dough looks crumbly, keep mixing for 30 seconds to 1 minute longer, okay? The dough should be pulling away from the side of the mixer. Next, looking at it here, you will notice that the dough is properly mixed. Now go ahead and transfer in a bowl. Yeah, once that is done, wrap it up and set aside for at least 10 minutes. Do not chill the dough, okay? Ten minutes later, take off the wrap. Spread some flour on your work surface. Once that is done, go ahead and divide the dough into workable patches. Take one of the dough and roll it out on a floured surface, okay? Once that is done, cut the dough to your desired size or shape. Place the dough in a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Next, beat in 2 eggs and little milk. Mix to combine. Once done mixing, then go ahead and brush the dough with the egg mix. This process gives the cookies a very nice and shiny look. Now I'm done. Look at how beautiful and nice it is, yeah? Now go ahead and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 6 to 8 minutes depending on your oven settings, okay? 8 minutes later, let it cool down completely before storing in an airtight container. For the second process, it is totally optional, okay? Now we are going ahead to mix the sugar cookies icing, okay? In a mixing bowl, add some icing sugar, milk mix to combine using your hand mixer. Once that is done, go ahead and add in the food coloring depending on the color you prefer. So here I will be using red, orange and green plus white. Yes, go ahead and add a little of it depending on how colorful you want yours to be, okay? So as you can see here, we have green, pink, white and orange. Can you see? Now it is time to decorate. Go ahead and decorate to your taste. So I divided the cookies into two parts. I'll be decorating half of it and the other one not decorated, okay? I know some of you will be wondering, is it necessary to decorate these cookies? No, it is optional, okay? So guys, here in Germany we call it weihnachtsplätzchen, meaning Christmas cookies. This is a first season during December. Yeah, it is a very special season for us here in Germany, especially the kids. They love this season a lot. When I mean a lot, okay? Yeah, a period where you bake together with the kids, but guess what? Baking and eating at the same time. Yeah. So guys, it's a very big fun for the kids, okay? Now, the kids always get their first rate of weihnachtsplätzchen at Nicolaus Day. So we have different types of cookies, different shapes, sizes. Yeah, it is a season to enjoy here in Germany. Look at how beautiful it looks. Guys, this cookies tasted so super delicious. Less sugar, honestly. So guys, I will be leaving the list of the ingredients in the description box below. So check it out and give it a try. You will love this recipe. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Remain blessed. Bye-bye.